Hey there, banking buddies. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in financial tech to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to find pending transactions on Chime Bank in 2025. With Chime's updates, managing your money has never been more straightforward, especially if you're keeping an eye on recent purchases or unexpected charges. Whether you're a Chime newbie or a longtime user, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Chime app installed on your smartphone. If it's 2025, you're probably using the latest version with enhanced security features and a sleeker interface. Open the app and log in with your credentials. Remember, always use a secure connection for safety. Once you're logged in, head to the main dashboard. This is your home base for all things Chime. Look for the Transactions tab, usually at the bottom of the screen. Its icon might be a list or a graph, depending on the 2025 update. Tap on it, and you'll see a full history of your activities. Now, to find those pending transactions specifically, scroll down or use the search filter. In the 2025 version, Chime has added a handy status filter. Tap on that and select Pending. This will filter your list to show only transactions that haven't cleared yet, like that coffee you bought this morning or a recent online order. If you want more details, just tap on any pending transaction. You'll see the amount, merchant, and estimated posting time. Pro tip: keep an eye on these to avoid overdrafts, as Chime's AI might even suggest budgeting adjustments based on your patterns in 2025. And that's it, you've now mastered finding pending transactions on Chime Bank. This feature is a game changer for staying on top of your finances. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech-savvy tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Stay financially savvy.